Yes sir, man, I'm back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. This video got a 2016 Audi A7 V6 3.0. We're doing a brake job on it, front and rear brake pads and rotors. They pretty much done in the front. They scrubbing metal to metal. We're gonna go ahead and knock this out. This is without the Brembo package, so I'm gonna show you how we're gonna get this done. Let's get it. Got our parts, man. Gotta get this centerpiece off. Pull that out. Go to work. Got a key lock. Alright, get this caliper off. Now we got these two caps covering the bolts. So it's going to be an H9. Get those out. This bolt right here is a T45. Alright, we got our C-clamp on it. Get that piston back. Double piston. Alright, we got it back. So what I did was started at the top and went to the bottom and got both of them back. It's our sensor. Alright, that's that pad. Yep. I had to push it back a little more. Get up in there. Alright, now we all the way back. Plenty of room. Alright, we got it hung up out the way. Now these back bolts here, these on the bracket, 21 mil. Get those out. Alright, next we got this Torx bolt. That's a T20. Now we're gonna tap this off. Alright. To get that off. Nice lip on it. Alright, see we got this film, we're gonna spray it down. That brake cleaner. Alright, our pads. Now these pads have a difference. These are the outside, this is the inside. These here hook into the piston and hold it in place. I mean, no pad. Nothing left. Got our bracket on. Went ahead and sprayed it down. Get that brake dust off of there. Go ahead and install that pad right there. Alright, we had to put the pads in like this before. Can't sit it on one side because it's gonna go in that slot and it holds the pad in place. And now we can just put that rotor on there, that pad over the rotor. Reinstall. We get that sensor back on there, we gotta put that back in there. Gotta put it around that. It just holds it in place so it don't just slide right out. New hardware. We in there. See how it's positioned with that hardware. Put that over top. Tighten it down. I'm gonna slide through the passenger side real quick. Passenger. Good. Hey man, that's gonna be it. So next time, pull up King.